In this video, I'll show you how to hard reset the Samsung Galaxy S5 using recovery mode. This method works if your phone is locked, frozen, or not responding. I can't enter the pattern because the phone has been temporarily locked due to multiple incorrect passcode attempted. First, turn off your Samsung Galaxy S5 completely. Samsung Galaxy S5 is powering off. Make sure the phone is completely turned off before continuing. Now press and hold the volume up, home, and power buttons at the same time. Keep holding them until you see the Samsung logo, then release all buttons. You will now see the Android recovery menu. Use the volume buttons to navigate and the power button to confirm. Scroll down and select Wipe Data Factory Reset. Now select Yes, delete all user data to confirm. Once the reset is complete, select Reboot System Now. The phone will restart and may take a few minutes to boot. Your Samsung Galaxy S5 has been successfully hard reset. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. After the hard reset, the Samsung Galaxy S5 will restart and show the welcome screen. Tap Start to begin the setup process. Now, connect to a Wi-Fi network if an internet connection is required to continue the setup. Read and accept the Samsung terms and conditions to proceed. If this phone was previously linked to a Google account, you may be asked to sign in. Enter the original Google account details to continue. You can now add a Google account or skip this step and add it later. Sign into a Samsung account or skip to finish the setup. Enter your device name and tap Finish. Setup is now complete. Your Samsung Galaxy S5 is ready to use. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.